In this video, we're going to make an easy coconut cream pie. These are the ingredients you will need: a deep dish pie crust, an 8-ounce container of Cool Whip, a 4.6-ounce box of pudding mix, either cook and serve or instant, in coconut cream or vanilla flavor, the amount of milk called for on the package, and about 1 cup of shredded coconut. First, I'm going to prepare my pie shell according to the package directions. And I'm going to take a small bit of the coconut and toast it in the oven along with my pie shell. Next, I'm going to prepare the pudding according to the package directions with the amount of milk specified, stirring constantly until it begins to bubble and thicken up. Then I remove it from the heat and begin to chop up my coconut. We prefer it in smaller pieces and not the long shreds. Once it's chopped, I'm going to stir it into the partially cooled pudding. And then I'm going to pour it into the prepared pie shell. While the pudding is still warm, I'm going to cover it with plastic wrap and place it into the refrigerator to cool. This way a film won't form on the pudding. After a couple of hours, we remove it from the refrigerator and add the Cool Whip on top. Here is my granddaughter spreading the Cool Whip and making a pretty design on the top. And then we're going to sprinkle it with the toasted coconut. Of course, you can make a coconut cream pie totally from scratch, and they are delicious, especially with the meringue topping. But this is easy for her to make. It's one of her favorite desserts, and it's the one we've been making together since she was about 4 years old. She learned to make a simple chocolate pie first, and then this one, and it has become, as I said, her very favorite. You can make this even easier by using a graham cracker or golden Oreo crust instead of the baked pie crust. Thanks for watching.